Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I will show you how to restore a previous version of a shared document in OneDrive. So first, what you want to do, you're gonna locate the file that you want to restore. So in my case it is here. Then you right click, and then here you'll see this option as version history. Then here, as you can see, this is the current version, but what you also can see is the older versions. So now you go to the older version, then here you'll see this option as restore. And basically that is it. That is it for this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.